Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to set up WooCommerce shipping method. Let's get started. In order to do that, we need to scroll on right here to our left dashboard. Click on the settings right here, and then you can actually hover to this WooCommerce right here under the main tab. Now, once you have clicked on this WooCommerce, you should be able to see the WooCommerce settings on your dashboard right here. Now, in here, you can see this option called shipping. So click on that right there. And then once you have done that, you should be able to see in here this shipping zone. So here's the rest of the world, and you can see in here this shipping zone for Philippines as well as USA. So if you want to add a new shipping method, click on this add zone right here. And then it will show you the add zone right here. So just put in here a zone name. So for example, right here, let's put in here Asia. Now you can put in here some regions. So let's put in here Asia. And then from in there, you can limit it also to specific zip codes or postcodes. So you have in here the shipping methods. You can add multiple shipping methods with this zone, but only the customers within the zone will see them. So let's add in here a shipping method. You can choose in here free shipping or just flat rate. So for example, putting this in here, the flat rate, click on continue. And then after that, you can put in here this tax status. It can be taxable or not. And then just put in here the shipping cost. You can also add a shipping class cost. But this will direct you to a new tab wherein you should be able to see in here the settings for that. So here's the shipping class. Click on this right here if you want to add. So let's click on this add shipping class. And for example, let's name this heavy. And then the slot will be heavy. And then the description will be heavy items as well. So this will be our first shipping class. Just head over and click on this create. And then let's also add another shipping class. And then let's put in here light. And let's log will be light pack. Description will be light items. Then click on create as well. And you can see in here this product count. So you can head over and click on this edit option, and you can edit out the product count that is actually available for this one. You can change it up however you want it to be by clicking on this product count option. So on this product count, you should be redirected right here on your products options. And in here, you can put in here the shipping that it allows on the specific product bundle. So let's head back right here. And in here, you can add shipping class cost as well for this one. So for example, let's just introduce your flat rate to 15 and click on this create and save. Now, as you can see, it will be added right here on our shipping methods. Now, from in there, let's just head over and just save your changes once you're done with that. So once you head over to this WooCommerce shipping, you can enable in here the shipping labels as well as the paper size that you want it added. So let's just add it as a label, and then you can choose a different card wherein it will be charged on your account for the labels that you print. And you can email in here the receipt, the selection, and also the packaging. Just click on this add package right here, and you can add in here type of package. It can be box or envelope. You can put in here the dessert package name. Just put in here also the dimensions and the weight of the package. And also you can select in here a service package. Now, this package right here will be noted as a premium package if you actually use USPS right here, priority mail, DHL, and a lot more. So, for example, when you try to use for this right here, and they have in here some packages that you can choose from, you can add those packages right here on the packaging and click on Save Changes right there. So, once you have done that, you have successfully set up the WooCommerce shipping methods. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.